Hi there, my name is George Washiri, and we have good news about this wonderful project, Success Garden Thika along Gatanga Road. This particular project is extremely unique because from the city of Nairobi, it's only 45 minutes. This particular project is not too far from Thika town, and you can be able to live here and your town is Thika town. And what's more, we are neighboring Thika Brew Post, a very interesting restaurant. And with the project, we have hospitals. We have level 5 hospital in this particular project. We have the Aga Khan hospital. That means when you have a family here, the matters health is taken care of. And what's more, those people who want to exercise, we have a nearby golf resort, and we also have got the Thika Sports Club. And this particular project is really unique because you travel along from Nairobi, Thika Super Highway, and exit 18, we are exactly 11.7 kilometers on this particular project along this road called Gatanga Road. And the project, Success Gardens, is right on tarmac, and definitely within the area, there are other development. As you can see, there's a petrol station here. There are schools, there are schools right here. Immaculate Girls High School, there are other schools right here, and what's more, the market is not too far. This is a market from the project. There's another public school here, and this is a nice development done by Optiven with all the facilities. In this particular project, we are doing solar. Right now, we just completed compacted Maram roads, and we are doing a perimeter wall around the entire Success Gardens. The good news is that the title deeds are ready for our customers. You only need to pay transfer cost, and then the title moves from Optiven to your name. Actually, customers are building, and I want to thank all those customers who bought this particular project, and you have very few plots remaining. If you're there, you are looking for a serene property with all the facilities you dream of. Success Gardens Thika along Gatanga Road is your project. Call Optiven on this particular number and you'll be able to smile. You'll be happy with this particular well-planned project by Optiven. God bless.
Good morning. Habari ya asubuhi. Nidamu gaivi nyuothe na no gaivi, then I switch to English and Swahili. Hamare twajita gukerwa Prestige imwe kwa imwe kuma huko Seattle, Washington, mwana wa Amerika. Na leo tumetembelewa na mgeni kutoka pale Optiven Nairobi office, na nitamualika aweze kutusalimu. Leo siongei mambo mengi, najua watu wanagojea, kuna kitu wanagojea, na wako na mtu anakuja anaangalia Fighters then anarudi. Lakini ninawasalimu wote katika ni jina la investment.
Katika jina la Yesu.
Katika jina la Yesu. Lakini leo mood kwa studio ni ya investment. Yeah. Kamera yako ni ile. Nataka uangalie kamera.
Wow.
Say hi to our listeners.
Wow.
Alafu tutaendelea na show.
Wow. So thank you very much, Mr. Kiare Prestige, for this wonderful opportunity, to be invited here, Pacific Radio Waves. It's really a pleasure. Hapa sisi si wageni, umetualika hapa mara nyingi, and we thank God for this opportunity, and I'd like to say hi to our viewers. Thank you very much for being here, to listen to us, what we have to offer at Optiven. It's a pleasure, really, to be here at Seattle, Washington. After a long while. We haven't been here for more or less 2 years due to COVID, but we thank God that we are alive and we are here, and we have come to to visit our esteemed clients. We call them special clients.
Yeah.
Because our clients, these are hawa ndio Optiven. Yeah, hawa ndio Optiven, hawa ndio wanatushika.
Yeah.
And that's why we say that our duty as Optiven is to socially and economically empower our Kenyan people.
Karibu Marekani.
Thank you. Asante sana.
United States of America.
United States of
Ni
America.
vizuri ni to shake hands.
Asante sana.
Watu wasifikirie uko Likoni. Unawaambia uko Marekani.
Yeah, asante.
Sasa Kenya umeacha aje?
Kenya ni kuzuri, wanaendelea mzuri. Najua sasa wanangoja
remote zimeisha mawe sasa.
Wanangoja kwa hamu kusikia ni nani atatangaza.
Midwife, nasikia midwife anakuja anasoma phytos, anaangalia watu wako aje, anarudi ana manage their expectations. Na wewe sasa umekuja hapa. Kuna watu wako diaspora na wangetaka kuinvest back home. Sasa na wewe nataka umanage. See the expectation the expectations. Na nikitaka leo uongelesha watu wa diaspora na utuambie umekuja kukaa au kutembea au umekuja biashara au umekuja kikazi, lakini kwanza nikitaka tutambue watu wawili watatu. Sijui nani unatabua hapo?
Naona kuna Faith Esther pale. Thank you for your time. Kuna Diana Mwelu. Thank you for your time. Kuna Diana Ross. Thank you for tuning in. We thank God that we are here, and I am good. I'm here in the States, and I'm happy. We happy to mingle, to have one-on-one with our clients, and we thank God. And thank you for finding time to tune in.
Nikitaka upe our listener, nikitaka upe our listener an overview. What is Optiven? Who are Optiven? Maybe as we continue, akwe na overview. Who are Optiven?
Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you for that question. Optiven means optimizing ventures, and we have been around for the last 22 years.
Okay.
We have a long journey, and we thank God that for the last 22 years, our clients have walked this journey with us, and we say that Optiven is now a big movement. A big movement, and we are here to stay. We are here we say that our job is to socially and economically empower and transform the societies. And in this trip, we have lots of title deeds that we have come to deliver here in the US for our clients, and we thank God that we are here.
You have been there for 22 years.
Yes, sir.
This is my third time nimewa host kwa Pacific hapa Marekani.
Yes.
2 years ago we were with you, more than 2 years ago. Pia kuna mara nyingine niliwa host. Mumekuwa hapo 22 years. Na wakati naongea na real estate investors ambao ni credible kama nyinyi, mimi huwauliza siri ni gani? So sijaisikia kashfa ya Optiven.
Asante sana kwa swali hilo. Umeuliza siri.
Siri ni gani?
Siri ni
sababu
gani?
Kwa 22 years na hujaisikia kashfa. Lazima kuwe kuna siri.
Siri ni ile tuko nayo ni kumcha Mungu. We are a credible organization that really believes in God, and that is why our clients both locally in Kenya and also in diaspora have found Optiven to be a credible partner. And so we are a company that we are rooted in integrity. Integrity is very key, and we normally say that honesty is the best policy.
Okay.
So that is our secret. We are a God-fearing organization, and we are very keen when it comes to even our clients. We say that we are customer obsessed with our clients. So that is key. To us, for us to fear God and That is why, you know, even when it comes to our clients,
Yeah.
we want to give our clients the very best.
Yeah.
The very best, and also being close to them, keeping in touch with our clients, sharing regular updates with our clients. That over time we build trust.
Okay.
We build trust with our clients.
Okay.
So that is very key.
Umesema customer obsessed.
Yeah, customer
Yeah.
obsessed.
What are these services that you offer to these customers?
Wow. Thank you very much for that, and I'd like to thank our viewers who are really watching us.
Yeah.
When you talk of customer obsessed and
Yeah.
being you know, very close to our customers, especially when it comes to service, customer service. You know, when our clients make an inquiry in regards to our properties,
Yeah.
you know, we normally communicate with them very fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, because once they make an inquiry, we are very keen to send the investment guide or investment catalog.
Yeah.
We are also very keen to ensure that you know, the questions they ask, we respond to them very fast. We give them regular updates when it comes to the purchase process. Once they make that inquiry, you know, we send the investment guide. We let them know in the payment process. We select the map. I mean, the plot. Once we share the subdivision map, thereafter we, you know, they sent their representatives in Kenya to come and view the property. We take them to the site. You know, they take a photo of the plot of their plot. They do a 360-degree video of that property they share with them. We ask them for their, you know, for their payment details.
Yeah.
You know, we share with them also the, what do you call, we request them for the transfer details for their titles, and we give them regular updates in regard to where we are in terms of the purchase process. Like once we launch the transfer, we share with them the details. Once the titles are ready, we share, you know, the soft copy of the title deeds with them. And even now, like in diaspora way, we bring them the title deeds. That way, our customers are very happy, and that's why they trust us, and they keep on investing in us in our green properties or value-added properties.
Kuna kabla hatujaenda kwa the products that you have, because you're going to tell us why you are here in America, and you'll tell us your latest products. Why Optiven? Mbona niende kwa Optiven na si hizo zingine nasikianga?
Wow. Wow, thank you very much. Why Optiven? That's a very a good question. First of all, we are known to deliver the promise. Yeah, and that is why people trust Optiven. When what we promise, we deliver. And that is very key. Secondly, we are known to be an award-winning company. Because of our good job that we do. We have won accolades over time in Kenya. We have won an accolade in customer orientation and marketing. That means a good service. We have won an accolade in being a super brand when it comes to real estate. And that is why we say in Kenya we have only 2 real estate companies, Optiven and others. You know. So we are known to deliver the promise. We are known, you know, to do value additions.
In Kenya, there are only 2 real estate companies.
Yeah.
Optiven and others.
And others. Yeah. So people know us to deliver the promise. People know us to do value additions.
Yeah.
To land. People know us as a, you know, as a award-winning organization.
Yeah.
And also people know us as an organization that gives back to the society, because we have a vibrant foundation. We give back to the society, and that is why those who invest with Optiven, their title changes.
I like your confidence.
Yeah.
Which post do you occupy in Optiven? Because are you a sales representative? Because I like your confidence.
Thank you. I am the For those who have just joined us, my name is George Muteti,
Yeah.
Regional Manager, Diaspora at Optiven.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is my name. You can be able to reach me. I think my number is shared on the screen. And we are very happy to be here in the US, and we look forward to interacting with you. If you're watching and you're in Seattle or you're in the US, feel free to reach out. We have come with a lot of goodies in the Optiven basket.
This is Pacific Waves Television, all the way from United States of America. Remember, this is a live broadcast, not a recorded show. And I'm going to remind you who I'm hosting today, na nitawachezea jigo yao moja, alafu tutarudi tusikie from the manager, regional manager wa diaspora. Nataka ajileti yeye mwenyewe. Nataka lijue nimuulize akijifanyia rating anaionaje. Ka hapo, stay tuned.
Hi there, my name is George Washuri, and I'm here to really thank you for buying this unique property, the Great Oasis Garden, right there in Nanyuki Township. We have done the Maram Roads, we have done the subdivision, and now your individual title is ready. We are now processing title deeds for phase 2, just next to the famous proposed biggest family entertainment center, the GMC, directly opposite this Mount Kenya Wildlife Estate, Olpajeta. This particular road you see right here on this particular map is Nanyuki Rumuruti, and is proposed for tarmacking. Call us on 0790 300 300.
Wathi wa kura wogagirirwo gi Pacific Waves Television USA tukite na murumo mweru with new branding. Tafarira citu ni ndure weru amemerekia ngothi umemerekia mukinyaneru tugacirithĩtie motungata ni undu waku we mwirore witu we ni we thahabu witu. Pacific Waves Television, Seattle, Washington, USA, your place of acknowledgement.
Haya, tumerudi. Bwana Muteti.
Yes, sir.
If I give you a chance, to rate yourself, unaweza jipea nini out of 100? Because there are two companies in Kenya, Optiven
and others.
And others.
Yeah.
Nikikupea a chance, you rate yourself. Utajipea gapi?
I'll give
out of 100.
I'll give Optiven 99.99%.
Hawa wengine wanachukua 0 point.
Yes. Okay. Really a good job. Yeah.
Okay. Sasa, I would like us to know what are the products you are currently selling.
Well, thank you very much, Bwana Kiare Prestige, for that question. I'd also like to thank our viewers. We have a number of projects, and one of them we are calling it the Great Oasis in Nanyuki, and this is a beautiful project we are having, and we are saying bigger is better. Bigger is better. Because the subdivision in this wonderful project is in terms of eights. We have eights that are going for 349,000. We've got quarters that are going for 680. We've got halves that are going for 1.3, and we have got acres that are going for 2.5. And then the ones that are touching the main road, which is earmarked for tarmacking, they're going for 3 million. But of course, we also have bigger chunks of land. If you want to buy like 5 acres, 5 acres are going for 12.5. And we thank God that this project is really moving very fast, because people are they love Nanyuki.
Yeah.
And the fact that this project is rightly opposite Mount Kenya Holiday Homes in Alpajeta, it makes it key, because per night at Mount Kenya Holiday Homes there is really a lot of money. It's more than $300 per night. So we are rightly opposite that. So guys who are purchasing this property, they want to do a number of businesses. To mention just a few, they want to do holiday homes, they want to do homes for Airbnb, they want to do gas stations and other number of businesses. In fact, we have one guy, he purchased 20 acres from this guy is from Texas. He wants to build an hospital, and we thank God for that. So that is one project, the Great Oasis Nanyuki. The other one is Success Gardens along Ngatanga Road, very close to Thika Town, and very close to this famous hotel called Blue Post Hotel. So this is a beautiful property. Is basically a few minutes drive from Nairobi downtown, and it's really moving. Of course, other projects in Kitengela like Celebration Gardens within Nairobi metropolis, barely 20 miles from the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. So these are just to mention a few, a number of properties we have, and we are currently selling at Optiven.
Tunaye regional manager wa diaspora all the way from Optiven Real Estate.
Yeah, Optiven Real Estate. Yeah.
Optiven Real Estate. Na kama una swali yoyote ukitaka kuuliza, it's good you forward your question. Pharaoh Wangari, I can see you. Reverend Jonge, Pastor James Kubai, Queen Coretta Queen. I'm sure this is your colleague. Yes. Lawless Kesasi, yeah. Saying power of show. Bigger is better. The Great Oasis Nanyuki. Yeah, and the contact website there, www.optiven.co.ke. Nikitaka tunapoendelea tu watajie mnakuanga wapi, then tutarudi tuambie the other product, lakini kwanza itacheza one of the video adverts tujue nini iko ndani yake.
Hi there, my name is George Washiri, and we have good news about this wonderful project, Success Garden Thika along Gatanga Road. This particular project is extremely unique because from the city of Nairobi is only 45 minutes. This particular project is not too far from Thika town, and you can be able to live here and your town is Thika town. And what's more, we are neighboring Thika Blue Post, a very interesting restaurant. And in the project, we have hospitals. We have level 5 hospital in this particular project. We have the Aga Khan Hospital. That means when you have a family here, the mental health is taken care of. And what's more, those people who want to exercise, we have a nearby golf resort, and we also have got the Thika Sports Club. And this particular project is really unique because you travel along from Nairobi, Thika Super Highway, and exit 18, we are exactly 11.7 kilometers on this particular project along this road called Gatanga Road. And the project, Success Gardens, is right on tarmac, and definitely within the area, there are other development. As you can see, there's a petrol station here. There are schools, there are schools right here. Immaculate Girls High School, there are other schools right here, and what's more, the market is not too far. This is a market from the project. There's another public school here, and this is a nice development done by Optiven with all the facilities. In this particular project, we are doing solar. Right now, we just completed compacted Maram roads, and we are doing a perimeter wall around the entire Success Gardens. The good news is that the title deeds are ready for our customers. You only need to pay transfer cost, and then the title moves from Optiven to your name. Actually, customers are building, and I want to thank all those customers who bought this particular project, and you have very few plots remaining. If you're there, you are looking for a serene property with all the facilities you dream of. Success Gardens Thika along Gatanga Road is your project. Call Optiven on this particular number and you'll be able to smile. You'll be happy with this particular well-planned project by Optiven. God bless.
They're inspiring possibilities with Optiven. With Optiven.
Ino ni session ya Pacific Waves Television.
Bwana Mutati, somebody is asking the payment plans. So I'd like you to give us the product
Yeah.
and the payment plan
Wow.
for that product.
Wow.
Yeah.
So thank you very much, Mr. Kiari, and thank you, our viewer, for even asking that question, and everybody else who is watching. We have a payment plan at Optiven when it comes to purchase of Optiven properties, be it the Great Oasis Nanyuki, be it Success Gardens, be it Celebration Gardens, be it the Garden of Joy, or any other property we have at Optiven. First of all, we have a cash payment. There are those clients who would want to pay cash. So many a times you find that if you want to pay cash, we give you time to raise the cash payment. It could be 30 days. We give you, if you pay within a timeline of between 2 weeks to 30 days, that one is cash. Of course, we have our installment purchase. So we have those clients who want to pay ile inaitwa malipo ya polepole. So we have got a 3 months repayment period. We have 6 months, and the maximum repayment period is 1 year, 12 months, and that is why, because you can pay a property for even 1 year. That is why our model resonates very well, Mr. Kiari, and our viewers, with the many people both locally in Kenya and in diaspora, because we are very flexible, especially when it comes to repayment. Maximum 1 year. So that is the payment plan. Of course, it may vary depending from one project to another, but ideally, you find most of our properties with that repayment plan, from cash to 3 months, 6 months, maximum repayment period 1 year. Mr. Prestige.
Somebody else is asking, mnakuanga na off-plan sale, maybe kabla hamjatangaza kwa public, mnakuanga na ile off-plan sales.
All right. No, we don't have that. We have this. That model is usually used by other.
The others.
Yeah, the plan. So as we don't have such a plan.
Okay.
So what we have are clean properties with with that flexible repayment period.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sasa nimesikia umeelezea mtu wa diaspora mwenye anataka kuinvest na nyinyi, how to go about it.
Yeah.
Currently umesema ni products bill mko nazo.
We have
ongoing.
Yeah, thank you for that question. We have several products or projects or properties, if you want to put it that way. I've mentioned the Great Oasis Gardens in Nanyuki, which is really moving very fast. We have Success Gardens, Gatanga Road, really moving very fast. We have Celebration Gardens in Kitengela, within Nairobi Metropolis. We have the Garden of Joy within Nairobi Metropolis along Kangundo, Koma Road. We have Malindi City Breeze Gardens in Malindi. That is phase 3. We have that property. We have another property in Naivasha, is called South Lake Villas in Naivasha, and we are coming up with other properties. So basically, these are the properties, and feel free to to visit our website, to find the locations, the value additions to this project. Visit www.optiven.co.ke, and you will see various properties, and you can come up with the one you feel it's closer. I mean, your taste and preference.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You told me you have a dinner.
Yes.
Tell us about the dinner. Is it tomorrow?
Yes, it's tomorrow.
Yeah.
We have a big mega dinner.
Yeah.
Optiven is hosting this big and mega dinner
Yeah.
here in Seattle, Washington. The dinner is going to be at Evergreen Inn. The address is Evergreen Inn, 32124 5th Avenue, South Federal Way. Again, the dinner is at Evergreen at 32124.
Maybe you can tell us the dinner address. We can put it here.
The dinner address is at Evergreen Inn.
Okay, dinner address
at Evergreen Inn.
Dinner is which date?
Is that is tomorrow is 13th August.
Okay. I want to put the details. You tell me.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you tell us the dinner will be here in Seattle.
In Seattle, and
tomorrow, which day?
13th August.
13th August.
Yes.
2022.
Yeah.
At what time?
At 5. It's gonna start at 5.
Okay. Okay, give us the address.
The address is Evergreen Inn, 32124 25th Avenue South.
Wait a bit. Tell me the address.
The address is Evergreen Inn, 32124. 32124.
124.
Yeah.
Okay.
32124.
Where is the
25th Avenue.
25th Avenue.
25th Avenue South Federal Way.
Avenue.
South Federal Way.
Federal Way. Because if you miss one thing,
yes,
somebody will go to a different address.
Yeah, the zip code is 98003.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's entry fee?
It's free dinner. Free.
Yeah.
You just come.
Yeah.
Free parking, free dinner. Your job is to avail yourself.
Yeah.
Listen to what we have to offer.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I will attend. What do I expect when I come to the dinner?
First of all, you expect interaction with the Optiven group. You also expect to mingle with fellow Kenyans.
Yeah.
You also expect a beautiful presentation of what we have, our properties. We will explain that, and to just make it more sweeter, you will witness your colleagues and your friends here in Federal Way receiving a very important document. Very important. This document is as important as a marriage certificate.
Visa.
It is called title deed.
Title deed. So you issue title deeds.
Title deeds.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have many title deeds for our clients because we haven't been here for more or less 2 years.
Yeah.
Due to COVID.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of title deeds, and some came this morning to collect their title deeds. Others came even yesterday to collect their title deeds. And during the dinner, we will offer our clients title deeds.
Okay.
And they have confirmed to come, so they will receive their title deeds. And who knows, maybe next year when we visit again, you can receive your title deed.
Who knows? Only God knows.
Only God knows. And even yourself, you know, if you invest,
Yeah.
we will bring over your title.
Pastor Robert Wainaina, all the way from Githurai. David Wabogo Karanja, all the way from Wendani. And Full Gospel Churches Githurai. Kuna jambo unasikia sikukuuliza na ungetaka our viewers wajue, na ukimalizia na upeane contact information.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Kwa sababu mwelekezi wetu ananiambia tuko na 2.5 minutes.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you very much
Yeah.
for this wonderful privilege, Mr. Kiare Prestige, and thank you, our viewers. Once again, for those who have just joined, my name is George Muteti, Regional Manager, Diaspora. I'd like to salute our team leader, Mr. George Washuri, for his art being very close to our Kenyan people, and especially in diaspora. And that is why we are here to present title deeds to our special clients, very esteemed clients here in the US. And if you are there and you'd like to invest in our properties, feel free to visit our website www.optiven.co.ke. Feel free to reach me at +254 713 588 899. The number is right there on your screen. We are here in Seattle, Washington, to present title deeds to our customers. And if you are here in Seattle, Washington, we invite you tomorrow, the 13th August at 5 p.m. to come for this mega Optiven dinner. It's free dinner. It's going to be at Evergreen Inn, 32124 25th Avenue, South Federal Way. Feel free to come over, and you're going to witness presentation of title deeds. We're going to do a wonderful presentation in regard to our properties, and we want to tell you that we love you, and that is why, as Optiven, we take our time to come here in the US. Coming to America is not cheap. It is really expensive, but because we really love our clients, we said let's be here for more or less 2 months. I am sure if you are watching from Minneapolis, we were there. In Minnesota, we were in Kansas City, we were in New Jersey, we had a beautiful dinner at Newark, we were in Boston, Massachusetts, we were in Atlanta, Georgia, we were in Dallas, Texas. This weekend we are here in Seattle, Washington State, and next week guys from San Francisco, in Santa Rosa, basically the Bay Area, in California, they are waiting for us for their title deeds, and there are those who want to be associated with Optiven. When you are associated with Optiven, your title changes. You become, if your name is Benson Kiari, we say
My status changes.
your title changes, your status changes. Mr. Benson Kiari, philanthropist, because 5% of our revenue is channeled to Optiven Foundation to touch people's lives, to help people's lives. And once again, I'd like to thank our team leader, Mr. George Washuri, for championing, being our captain of Optiven Group, for this wonderful gesture to our clients. Thank you so very much.
Enjoy your stay here in America.
Asante sana. Thank you.
To our viewers, tumefika mwisho wa show yetu. Wabogo, nisalimia watu wa Wedani. That was my location, that was my base, na nimefurahi sana kwa wale wote wamekuwa kwa show yetu siku ya leo. Majaliwa yake Mwenyezi Mungu, tupatane pale Evergreen Inn and Suits. God bless you. God bless Optiven Group Limited.
Road. This particular project is extremely unique because from the city of Nairobi is only 45 minutes. This particular project is not too far from Thika town, and you can be able to live here and your town is Thika town. And what's more, we are neighboring Thika Brew Post, a very interesting restaurant. And with the project, we have hospitals. We have level 5 hospital in this particular project. We have the Aga Khan Hospital. That means when you have a family here, the mental health is taken care of. And what's more, those people who want to exercise, we have a nearby golf resort, and we also have got the Thika Sports Club. And this particular project is really unique because you travel along from Nairobi, Thika Superhighway, and exit 18, we are exactly 11.7 kilometers on this particular project along this road called Gatanga Road. And the project, Success Gardens, is right on tarmac, and definitely within the area there are other development. As you can see, there's a petrol station here, there are schools, you know, there are schools right here, Immaculate Girls High School, there are other schools right here, and what's more, the market is not too far. This is a market from the project, there's another public school here, and this is a nice development done by Optiven with all the facilities. In this particular project, we are doing solar. Right now, we just completed compacted Maram roads, and we are doing a perimeter wall around the entire Success Gardens. The good news is that the title deeds are ready for our customers. You only need to pay transfer cost, and then the title moves from Optiven to your name. Actually, customers are building, and I want to thank all those customers who bought this particular project, and there are very few plots remaining. If you're there, you are looking for a serene property with all the facilities you dream of, Success Gardens Thika along Gatanga Road is your project. Call Optiven on this particular number and you'll be able to smile. You'll be happy with this particular well-planned project by Optiven. God bless.